right, more than 30 people in Louisiana have died in fires so far this year. The American Red Cross is working to bring that number down. Today, they partnered with Barksdale Air Force Base and other groups to install free smoke alarms in homes across Bossier City today. Statistics show that having a working smoke detector can cut your risk of dying in a fire by half.
We go into neighborhoods that we have seen a lot of fires. We've had a lot of fire responses to, and we go out and we go door to door installing smoke alarms and also testing the smoke alarms if they already have them to help prevent deaths and injuries during home fires.
Many fire departments offer free smoke alarms. Officials say it's also a good idea to have a fire safety plan and to practice it and check your smoke alarm monthly.